Here's how to convert iPhone photos to PNG. So I created an app, it's called ConvertSave. You can find a link for it in the description or top comment down below. And it is an offline file converter. So no more uploading to weird sketchy websites and having to download all your files. Basically what you do here is you can click and drag anything. And so I could drag in all these HEIC iPhone photos, drag them in here, and then select the output. So JPEG, all these different common images, and I can select PNG right here, and then I just have to hit convert, and it's going to convert all of those in this list down here to PNG and just save them right back where they came from with the same name. If there's a copy or something, it'll just add like copy or +1 or something like that to it. But that is ConvertSave. It's that easy. You convert and then save. You can check it out in the link in the description. It works on Windows and Mac. My brother was a software developer on this, and I was pretty much the designer. It actually converts video files, audio files, and image files. So there's a ton of conversions, hundreds of conversions actually. But if you're looking to convert iPhone photos to PNG, I use ConvertSave. Check it out in the description. I'll see you in the next one.